So we just want to show how the goggles fit inside each of the different things. So if you wanted to fit the goggles in, you fit the whole camera mechanism in. I got it. So now we're going to turn your switch into a bird.
Yeah, so I think you're going to want to take the lid off first.
That looks so
use the wind pedal in conjunction with it. This one just slides right in there. I like this one.
That's a little bit easier.
Go ahead and close that. Calibrated.
This is slightly heavier than I thought it would be.
Foot pedal down there.
That is.
It really makes a lot of breeze.
Oh yeah.
So you just squeeze the grips to start.
Grips.
So these are actually your wings.
Oh.
Yeah, so then you just pull down on those and then.
Oh, I am that. Oh, I've got little propellers.
Yeah, it's like a super bird.
So what happens when you do the foot pedal? I mean, besides you feel wind.
I am flying in the sky.
You can see the boost of speed.
Yeah, no, I see the wind symbols. And the propellers go out too.
How durable does the foot pedal feel like?
More durable than I thought it would be. Like, it feels more solid than I would imagine from cardboard. Oh, there's a bell. Can I fly into the bell?
You can pretty much fly anywhere.
We got you, Chris.
Will I hit again? I'm just going straight upwards. I'm gonna fly into the sky.
I can see why you want people to sit down.
Yep.
Oh,
You've seen the videos of all the other ones where someone puts it on and they don't realize where they're at. They hit the
Yeah.
TV.
I didn't even see that. Oh, there's a little birdhouse. Tilt my head. I am tilting. My bird has very beautiful blue eyelashes. Wait, it looks like there's something interesting where the arrow is pointing. Yeah, no.
So talk about what you just experienced.
I was a bird in the sky,
And-
I was flying around.
Yeah.
And when I tilted, it did. So it was like kind of like being in a little airplane, except you are the airplane.